Hi guys, I'm Samina and welcome to the Cupcake Confession, where I show you how you can learn to make amazing decadent desserts and sweet treats. If this is something you enjoy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you do that, also don't forget to ding this little bell button so you are notified every time I post a new recipe. Today we are making chocolate and caramel cake. So let's get to it. You're first going to begin by sifting your dry ingredients. So I have all-purpose flour, urban platters, aluminum-free baking powder and baking soda, caster sugar and cocoa powder. I'm going to pass this through the sieve, and once I have sifted these dry ingredients, I'm going to use a whisk and really combine all of these dry ingredients together so everything is mixed well together and there are no stray bits of sugar or flour away. Once I've done that, I'm going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. I'm also preheating my oven to 150C and 300F. This butter is salted, but if you're using unsalted butter, then add some salt as well to the dry mix. You're going to mix this well, then you're going to add the eggs a little at a time. So you will add the first egg, mix it well, then the second egg, mix it again. The batter will seem a bit stiff, but we're going to loosen this out with our buttermilk, which I'm going to add right about now. So once I've added the buttermilk on a very low speed first, I'm going to mix everything, because if you go on a high speed, it's all going to fly away. You're also going to add some vanilla extract. Now you're going to keep mixing this for about 2 minutes on medium speed until it starts to resemble something like frosting. It really looks like frosting, honestly. Now I have a 9 by 9 inch cake tin which I have lined with parchment paper. I'm going to put my cake batter into that, and I'm also going to use my spatula to smoothen this batter out so that the cake bakes evenly. You don't have to be precise, but just make sure that it spreads out to all the areas of the cake tin. I'm going to bake this in the oven, which is preheating at 150C for about 30 to 35 minutes. A skewer inserted in the center must emerge clean, and you're just going to then let it cool completely once it's out of the oven. I like to leave it overnight. Now here I have some boiled milk buttercream frosting. The recipe for this is on my YouTube channel. I have linked it below. To that I am going to add my salted caramel sauce. Now because we're adding the salted caramel sauce, I have adjusted the quantities slightly, so I have noted them down in the description box for your reference. Just follow the ingredients in this recipe, but follow the video as I have shown in the previous one. You're going to use your electric beaters and combine the salted caramel sauce. Again, the recipe for the salted caramel sauce is up on the YouTube channel and I have linked it down below. Now I'm going to take my cooled cake and I'm going to put the frosting over it, and then I'm just going to use my offset spatula to spread it evenly around. You can use as much or as little of the frosting as you'd like. I really like to keep it nice and generous because it's just something that goes so well with the chocolate cake. I'm just going to make a swirly pattern on the frosting. Then I am going to also drizzle it generously with some salted caramel sauce. And once I have done that, I am going to use my sprinkles and top them up. They look really pretty and adorable this way. Now, once you've done that, let me just show you what it is like on the inside. You are going to love this, guys, because it's super decadent, moist and fudgy. So let's bite into it. So I've obviously gone for a few bites and not just one, because that's how it is when you eat this cake. You can't just have one bite. So I hope you make this cake. Guys, this is it. This was my recipe for the chocolate caramel cake. Really hope you give this recipe a go, and when you do, don't forget to post a photo to Instagram and tag me using my Instagram handle at the Cupcake Confession, and also use the hashtag the Cupcake Confession. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any feedback, comments or suggestions, put them down in the comments below. I post a new recipe every Tuesday and Thursday. So if you want to be notified, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And while you do that, also don't forget to ding this little bell button. I'll see you again next time. Bye.